Wedge Villa by Cadence in Bengaluru, India. The four-bedroom home sits on a typical urban site facing east. The car parks, home office, help quarters, and entrance lobby utilize the ground floor. The first floor, comprising the double-height family space, formal living room, kitchen, and dining, is organized around a green deck, blurring the distinction between the inside and outside. The four bedrooms comprise the upper levels and a multipurpose space that spills out to a shaded deck. The home sitting on a 2,400 square feet plot seems wedged into the context. This sensibility further articulates the exterior of the building, which appears like a chiseled block of stone. The syncopated rhythm of the vertical ribs in the facade cut the sun's direct glare, allowing the soft east light to permeate. The pattern of the stone further accentuates the angular geometry of the wedge.